Here's the Vesogy infrared thermometer here. Nice ergonomic grip, easy to turn on by just pulling the trigger. It's got a 9-point laser here, so you know exactly what you're measuring. And it's got lots of features and functions on this really cool display. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and you can use this button here to see the maximum, the minimum, and the average temperature of your last scan. You can also use this button here to see your previous 20 scans. Overall, a really nice device for measuring the surface temperature of whatever you need to measure.